Welcome to the IT Samurai Teacher. I'm your host Shihab. Today we are diving into the world of network security, focusing on a tool called Parasite6, part of the THC IPv6 Toolkit. Whether you are tech enthusiast or just curious about how the digital world tricks, this episode is for you. So let's get started. Now, to kick things off, let's break down some of the jargon. When we talk about Parasite 6, we are entering the realm of IPv6. IPv6 stands for Internet Protocol version 6. It is the most recent version of the IP designed to replace IP version 4 and solve the issue of IP address exhaustion. Think of IP addresses like phone numbers for devices on the internet. With more devices than ever needing to connect, IP version 6 ensure there are enough numbers to go around. But with great power comes great responsibility and the potential for misuse. This is where the Parasite 6 command tool, a component of the Van Heuser THC IPv6 toolkit, comes into play. It's a tool designed for network security testing and, well, let's say for educational purposes to understand potential vulnerabilities in IPv6 networks. Imagine you at a party and everyone's chatting in a group, but instead of talking directly to each other, they're passing notes. Imagine if someone could secretly redirect all those notes to themselves first and read them and then pass them along as if nothing happened. That's essentially what Parasite 6 does with network traffic. It performs what's called man in the middle or short name MITM attack, but especially for IPv6 networks. Using ICMP version 6 neighbor solicitation and advertisement messages, Parasite 6 tricks devices into sending their traffic through the attacker's machine first. ICMP version 6, without getting too technical, is a part of the internet's underlying communication protocol for messages like, "Hey, are you there?" or "Here's how you can reach me." By spoofing these messages, Parasite 6 essentially says, "Hey, send that through me. I'm the best route," even when it's not. Now, you might be wondering, isn't this illegal? And you'll be right to question that. Using tools like Parasite 6 without permission is illegal and unethical. It's a powerful demonstration of why understanding network security is crucial for cybersecurity professionals and students. Tools like these are used in controlled environment to test strength networks against such attacks. So, why should you care? Well, in our interconnected world, understanding the basic of network security isn't just for the IT crowd. It's knowledge that can help protect you and your digital footprint. And for those aspiring to work in tech, it's a fascinating area full of challenges and opportunities to make the digital space safer for everyone. That wraps up our dive into Parasite 6 and shadowy corners of IPv6 security. Whether you are a student, professional, or just curious in mind, I hope today's episode sheds some light on the complex but crucial world of cybersecurity. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to protecting yourself online. Thanks for tuning into the IT Samurai Teacher. If you enjoy this journey into tech unknown, don't forget subscribe and leave us a review whenever you get your podcast. Until next time, keep exploring, stay safe, and see you on this IT Samurai Teacher.